This is interesting, okay?
Uh-huh.
Our magnolia tree was covered by magnolia blight that left every branch in distress. We used a powerful water sprayer to liberate the tree from this scale and pruned off many branches. Our 15-foot magnolia looks like a Charlie Brown Christmas. It is spring now, and I do not see any new growth occurring. The 4 main stalks appear healthy. We have fed it many times since fall to try to motivate growth. We are desperate for a solution. How can we help our magnolia tree recover? Douglas from Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
That is nice.
That's pretty nice. All right, so first thing first.
Yes.
They can grow magnolia trees in Ontario, Canada.
Yes, they can.
Yes, they can. It's zone 5A. I should look that up to make sure, but it's zone 5A, so they can't do that.
Yes.
Okay, now, let's unpack this for a second.
Mm-hmm.
All right? It was covered by magnolia blight.
Right.
That was on every branch.
Uh-huh.
But they used a powerful water sprayer to liberate the tree from this scale.
Scale, yes. So those are 2 different things.
Yeah.
One is an insect and one is a disease of some kind.
Right.
So which is it that he has?
Right.
And this tree obviously is very stressed to begin with.
Right.
So the scale problem would be best fixed by some systemic insecticide
Right.
applied to the ground.
Okay,
And so
yeah.
the tree can take it up, and that will help with the scale.
I would agree with
Now,
that.
that's not going to help the blight any.
No.
And then he says a little bit later that
Yeah.
he's been feeding it since fall. Well, you can't, the tree is not actively growing in the winter. So by trying to give it food to make it flush growth,
It started growing.
it might start growing,
Yeah.
and then it'll get zapped by cold weather
Right.
in the winter. And that, I mean, there's only so many carbohydrate reserves in the root system
Right.
when it can come back out. So you never fertilize or try to feed a shrub or a tree when it's dormant. And so that might have caused some of the death that but he says that the
definitely stressed. The 4 main stalks.
four
Yeah,
main
pretty
stalks
healthy.
are
Right.
healthy, which is good. So now that it is warmer out, and the season is coming on of summer, try to fertilize it and see if it comes out.
Right. Yeah, because
But-
we don't even know what he uses as a fertilizer
No,
either.
I don't know what
Right.
he-
So
I
it was
have
something
no
that was
idea.
high in nitrogen, especially if you did that in the fall.
That could be
Yeah,
bad.
that could be pretty tough. Yeah, how about getting a
I
soil
don't
tester?
know.
You know?
Yeah, a soil test would be nice.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Just we can see what the pH is and get your recommendation for growing a magnolia tree.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so yeah, the blight is something different from the scale.
Scale, right.
Wow. And it's 15 foot.
It's just 15
That's the
foot.
Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
That's just, well, I don't know if I hope that helps him a little
Yeah.
bit. I don't know which kind of magnolia it is either,
Right,
because
right.
that can make a big difference.
That's right.
So if we knew what kind of magnolia it was, we might be able to be more specific with some better help for him.
Okay. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.